What's up, Diva? So I will be unboxing November's Curlbox. So let's just jump right into this unboxing. So as y'all know, y'all do get your bubble wrap. You do get your pamphlet with a pretty girl on it, as always. So it looks like we have 4 full-size items and a little small item right here. So I'm going to go through each item for you guys. So this collection is called One and Only Argan Oil. So like I said before, you do have 4 full-size products, and this looks to be an oil. So I'm going to go through each product for you guys. Okay, so we're going to start off with this first product right here. Hopefully you guys can see this, but this is the Strengthening Restorative Mask, and it do have Argan collagen in it. So the way you use this is you apply it to clean damp hair, massage this in your hair for 7 to 10 minutes, and rinse and style. So this is how the bottle looks. And this is an 8 fluid ounce bottle. So the next product we have here is the Moisture Repair Shampoo. This is 12 fluid ounces, and it do have Argan collagen in it as well. So the way you use this product is you apply it to wet hair, and you gently massage into the scalp thoroughly. You repeat as needed. As soon as you open up the box, you can smell it already. So I can smell that it smells really good. So the next product we have is the Defining Curl Cream. Now this is a 9.8 fluid ounce bottle. So the way you use this product is you apply it to clean damp hair, distribute evenly, allow the product to dry naturally, or use a diffuser to create more volume. So the next item that we have here is the Moisture Repair Conditioner. Now this is a 12 fluid ounce bottle, and it also have the Argan collagen in it as well. Now the way you use this product is you apply a generous amount, distribute evenly from root to end. You leave it in your hair for 1 to 3 minutes, and you rinse. So last but not least, you have the Argan Oil Treatment. This is the original formula, and it is a 3.4 fluid ounce bottle. So guys, that is all that came in the November 2020 Curlbox. You have your treatment, you have your shampoo, you have a cream, you have a conditioner, and you have your oil. I want to tell you guys to make sure you stay tuned and turn on your post notifications, because I will be doing a hair tutorial using these products. And if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to hit that thumbs up as well as subscribe and turn on all your post notifications, so every time I upload a video, you ladies can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.